Bikini Precure 5 Go Go. Oh my god, this show sucks. This show is a huge ripoff to Yes Precure 5 Go Go, which is way better than this. They have 6 characters and they like to go on failure adventures. Cure Whip is ripoff to Cure Tree, and she stole the name Cure Whip from Cura Precure La Mode. Cure Sunny is ripoff to Cure Rouge, and she stole the name Cure Sunny from Smile Prick or Glitter Force. Glitter Side. Cure Sunshine is ripoff to Cure Lemonade, is she stole the name Cure Sunshine from Hard Catch Precure. Cure Yell is ripoff to Cure Mint, and she stole the name Cure Yell from Huckdo Precure. Cure Beauty is ripoff to Cure Agua, and she stole the name Cure Beauty or Glitter Breeze from Smile Precure or Glitter Force. Cure Milky is ripoff to Milky Rose, and she stole the name Cure Milky from Star Twinkle Precure. I hope this show gets canceled very soon. Do you know who likes this show? Nobody. Do you know who is this? Me and my friends and Yes Precure 5 Go Go characters and the friend.